Guys, some of the largest credit repair companies in the country is being shut down by the US government. In today's video, guys, I'm going to explain step by step on why credit repair companies might be dead. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about why credit repair companies might be dead. But before we get to the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because I've seen credit repair being done wrong for so long that it's about time that the US government is stepping in with some form of regulations, and they are stepping in a very vivid way. And to explain that, like I said, majority of the biggest companies are under fire right now with the FTC or the CFPB, where they're being shut down and not being able to work in credit repair or financial services ever again. The owner of these companies are extremely under fire when it comes to the government, that they're not allowing them to do business in this industry anymore, and not just credit repair but any type of industry. So as you can see, the FTC action leads to a permanent bans for scammers behind sprawling credit repair pyramid scheme. As a result of the Federal Trade Commission lawsuit, the owners of and operators of the sprawling credit repair operation known as FES will end the practices that the FTC alleged created a pyramid scheme and violated the Credit Repair Organization Act. In addition, the proposed court orders include substantial monetary penalties. Now, I honestly think that sprawling FES got off pretty easily because they are being hit with a $12 million fine and, you know, $1 million here and there. But from the records that it showed that the FTC cracked down on this company over 2 years ago, and they finally come along with the deliberations. But as you can see in this article from 2022, it says the same company schemed over $213 million from consumers. So the $12 million compared to a $213 million in total sales is astronomically different. They said the FTC first filed suit against a FES scheme in May 2022. Allegedly, the company preyed on consumers with low credit scores by luring them in with false promises and an easy fix, then recruiting them to join the pyramid scheme, selling the credit repair services to others, costing them millions of dollars. These companies promised to clean up people's credit repair but failed to deliver. Meanwhile, honest businesses make money selling products and services, not by recruiting in the drive to recruit, especially when coupled with inflated income claims, is the hallmark of an illegal pyramid, said Samuel Levine, director of the FTS Bureau of Consumer Protection. The FTC is committed to stopping deceptive credit repair tactics and shutting down illegal pyramid schemes that prey on struggling consumers. So guys, as you can see, they're basically saying that the way they market was the biggest downset when it comes to this company and how they were shut down. As you can see, the proposed settlement in this case will lead to more than $12 million being turned over to the FTC for use of providing refunds to affected consumers. So if you was a consumer of FES a couple of years ago, I remember FES, it was a very huge company. It was a multi-level marketing company, and I've seen a lot of people in this space this. I've seen a lot of people move up tiers, and the marketing that this company had was off the charts. And it's basically saying that the $12 million is going to be allocated to consumers that were with the company before. So the FTC is providing refunds to affect the consumer, as well as conducted prohibitions against the defendants as follows. So the defendant, Parmel Niat, along with Financial Education Services Inc., United Wealth Services, blah blah blah, Commercial Lending LLC, will permanently prohibit from numerous forms of unlawful activities related to credit repair service and pyramid scheme, and will be required to put a compliance monetary system in place to ensure its employees and contractors do not violate the terms of the settlement. In addition, they will be required to turn over $5.5 million in cash. Another defendant, Michael Toloff, along with VR Tech Management LLC, the statewide commercial lending LLC, will permanently banned from providing any credit repair service, as well as being permanently banned from any involvement in multi-level marketing. In addition, they will be required to turn over cash and value numerous of cars, boats, real estate properties totaling millions of dollars in cash, guys. So they're not just giving the $12 million and just have to do that. I didn't read this correctly. So they have to basically give over assets as well. So that includes cars, boats, real estate properties, and that can total way more than $12 million depending on the property itself. And defendant Chris Toloff, along with CM Rent Inc., were permanently banned from providing any credit repair services, as well as permanently banned from any involvement in multi-level marketing. In addition, they were required to turn over $1.7 million. The defendant Gerald Thompson were permanently banned from providing any credit repair service, as well as being permanently banned from any involvement in multi-level marketing. In addition, he will be required to turn over $215,000. The commission vote approving the stipulated finals orders was 5-1. The FTC filed a proposed order in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan. Guys, this just tells a lot about how the government is playing credit repair going forward, guys. If you are a credit repair company and you are charging an advance fee, if you are a credit repair company and you are promising different type of marketing tactics like this one, so these marketing tactics like this is one of the biggest issues that caused this case to happen. So as you can see, a lot of people from 2020 all the way up to July of this year is using this same exact copywritten marketing tactic, and is basically saying Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are under fire for reporting inaccuracies, obsolete information, taking advantage. This is a great time for you to remove your collection. So this type of marketing tactic in itself is one of the biggest reasons, if not the one reason, that caused this court case to actually happen and get these people shut down. And people, as you can see, is still using this tactic. And it goes to show, when you have a multi-level marketing company, you really don't have control, creative control over the marketers that's marketing the services. So a lot of people will use different creative ways to market, and those ways are not compliant with the U.S. government for credit repair services. So you have to be compliant with consumer laws when it comes to how you operate your business in the business model structure of itself. So as you can see, promises that basically entails for you to remove any of this stuff in a certain amount of time, or over promising, under delivering, is a gateway for companies to be shut down forever. So as you can see, this company, the CFPB, reaches a multi-million-dollar deal settlement with credit repair conglomerate, and this is for the companies Lexington Law and creditrepair.com. So FES, creditrepair.com, and Lexington Law were the largest credit repair companies in the country at one point in time, and I think that Lexington Law and creditrepair.com is still one of the largest in itself, but you probably haven't seen them around like you used to because of the marketing tactics. So as you can see, the agreement follows a ruling from the court that collected illegal advance fees for credit repair services through telemarketing in violation of federal law. So as you can see, guys, it's the telemarketing, because these are the same complaints that the FTC rolls up against FES. Now the CFPB and FTC is two different government entities, but they both have the power to shut down credit repair companies as they see fit. Now, as you can see with creditrepair.com and Lexington Law, it is the telemarketing, the marketing in and itself, that's shutting it down. If approved, the settlement will impose a $2.7 billion judgment against the companies. The order will also ban the companies from telemarketing credit repair service for 10 years, guys. Americans across the country looking to improve their credit scores have turned to companies like creditrepair.com and Lexington Law. These the credit repair giants use fake real estate and rent-to-own opportunities to illegally bait people and pad their pockets with billions in fees, said CFPB Director Rohit Chopra. This scam is another sign that we must do more to fix our credit repair and scoring system in our country. Lexington Law and creditrepair.com are the largest credit repair brands in the country. The credit repair services are marked and offered through the web of related entities in Salt Lake City area, including PGX Holdings, Progression Marketing, and John C. Health, attorney-at-law law firm. During the time period relevant in the lawsuit, the companies operate nationwide and have more than 4 million customers who were subjected to telemarketing. In 2022, the defendants had combined annual revenues of approximately $388 million. The CFPB, they made this in a year, guys. The CFPB previously sued the companies to halt their illegal conduct and seek to readdress the other relief. In March 2023, the district court ruled that the defendants violated the advance fee provision of the telemarketing sales rule. The telemarketing sales rule provides a range of protections for consumers related to telemarketing and set payments restrictions for certain goods and services. It required credit repair companies to wait until 6 months after they provide the consumer with documentation reflecting that the promised results were achieved before the request or receive payment from the consumers. Following the district court rulings, the companies filed a Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. The companies represented that they had shut down about 80% of their business, including their call center, and laid off 900 employees in response to the court ruling, guys. So as you can see, Lexington Law, creditrepair.com has laid off 900 people and shut down 80% of their business because of this lawsuit. And this is another one. This is creditrepair.com. Creditrepair.com is a credit repair software company that basically gives the software to credit repair companies to manage and use as a customer relationship management software for their business. So if you want to start a credit repair company, you'll go to creditrepair.com, sign up for their services. They charge you like $100 a month, and you can do everything under one sun. You can charge your clients there, you can dispute the letters there, you can manage all of your clients' requests, complaints, anything under one umbrella with the credit repair software for creditrepaircloud.com. And they had a lawsuit as well. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau today filed a lawsuit in the federal court accusing the California-based software company and its owner of providing assistance to illegal credit repair businesses. So they got in trouble for providing software to illegal businesses that were operating with illegal telemarketing services. So the CFPB alleges that Credit Repair Cloud, the CEO Daniel Rosen, have violated the telemarketing sales rule. So as you can see, the TSR has been the main component of bringing down giants in credit repair, guys. Credit repair is dying because once you get to a certain level in credit repair, it's almost impossible to scale without marketing. If you can't market, you can't do business. And people that have grew their business with the marketing, they have done it illegally and they are seeing the results thereof. So guys, if you are thinking about getting into credit repair and you have a credit repair company, you may want to revisit the consumer laws and how you're marketing your credit repair company, because if you're doing anything of the sort, you will be shut down. And not only shut down, you will have a hefty fine. And if you don't have the money for the fine, then other ways can definitely hurt you in the long run, if that's prison time or jail time or probation or whatever. These companies are huge, so they can solve these issues relatively easy with just money, throwing money at it. Yeah, they lose a lot of money, but they still have a lot of money to on the back end. But if you don't have a lot of money and you're thinking about starting a credit repair company, you might need to think again and look at these cases and look at the consumer laws and ask yourself, am I doing things wrong? If you're thinking about signing on with a credit repair company, you don't know where to go, guys, the best way to do it is to do it yourself now. If you're not doing it yourself, you are putting yourself and your credit in a very high risk, because you don't know if the credit repair companies is allocating or gaining traction with their business correctly. And if their business gets shut down, you will be part of the domino effect as well. So guys, if you're looking to do anything yourself as far as credit repair, guys, you can go to creditapprove.com and do it yourself, guys. I am looking to separate the entities with the creditapprove.com software and the creditapprove.com, where we are doing it and helping you do it yourself. Guys, we want the software to be completely detached from these these type of companies because they are cracking down on credit repair companies, especially if you are a large one. The worst thing in the world is for you to, finally scale your business and then the U.S. government come bringing it down at a very, very hefty fine as that. So with that as well. So guys, look out for, if you want a credit repair, I have tons of videos. My clients, thousands of clients, are getting the same type of results, if not better, than they will get at a credit repair company. All I have to do is go to my YouTube channel, scroll on what hack best fits you in your credit repair journey, and then use that hack in the software to remove everything yourself, guys. You don't have to go with credit repair companies anymore. You can do it yourself, and it would be a lot easier and a lot safer in the long run, guys. This is not 2008 anymore. Credit repair companies are dying every single year, guys. If you found any of this information helpful, guys, remember to like and subscribe to the video. Leave it in the comment section. Credit repair, if you need credit repair, or if you are going through anything like this in credit repair, leave credit repair in the comment section, and you can jump on a call with me. Email me at QSummerall, QSUMRALL at creditdisputecloud.com, and we can answer any of your questions one-on-one. We can tackle it together, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Credit repair, guys, this is interesting to say the least. Look into these cases and let me know how you feel. Until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.